open the door. Alright, so the drift is here, and then it kind of goes down.
Yeah, and remember, that's 2 steps up from the ground.
Right. Oh, shit.
You could probably do a back flop.
That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to
Alright, well, be careful. Remember, it goes down.
Yeah, I know, but I got 2 feet of snow behind you, right?
Alright, well.
Oh, God. It's like diving off a board. Oh, it's really cold. Really deep. And really windy. Wait. No. Oh, Snow Angel. Okay, we didn't come up with a second plane, which is how I'm getting out of this. No, seriously. You know how It's not fun anymore.
I'm going to turn this off so I can actually help you.
Please do.